All right, hi everybody. I'm Dr. Dennis Rattiner of Align the Spine Chiropractic and Wellness Center, and we're here with Amanda. We're going to discuss a little bit of her great changes that we've had with chiropractic care. So, Amanda, the thing you were most excited about was your headaches, right?
Right.
All right. So, why don't you tell me a little history of these headaches?
My mom said that I've had them pretty much my whole life. When I was in kindergarten, my teachers would always call her in and say they needed something to talk to her about, and they were really concerned because of the headaches that I always had. And my mom's like, no, she's always had them. They're barometric. When it rains or when it's going to rain or when it's going to snow, it just depends on the severity of them. And I've had them my whole life, and they're gone.
They're gone.
They're gone.
Excellent. How often were they occurring before care?
Whenever it rained.
Like anytime?
Anytime.
And now?
Like the most drastic and the worst of the headaches was the more drastic and the worse the storm was.
Right.
But, I mean, if it was like a light drizzle that came in slowly, maybe a small twinge, but, it doesn't rain like that much here in Georgia.
So how many years total would you had your headaches before?
32. I remember my first ones really probably when I was in 5th grade. But
Okay.
My mom said that I've had them, as long as she can remember. So pretty much my whole life.
Cool. So one of the things that this will help people at home is that a lot of times people think when they've had their problems for so many years, they think that's just them. Like,
Right.
oh, I just have headaches and there's nothing anyone can do, and you're just great proof that that's not
Right.
necessarily true. So that's great.
Yeah.
What other benefits do you notice with your chiropractic care?
My neck pain is diminished surprisingly by like 90%. My back pain is better. My low back pain, which is what really brought me in here to begin with,
Right.
is fabulous. There's none hardly anymore, so
Awesome.
it's great.
When you had those headaches, like what part of your head were they on?
It ranged from like the temple area to the front and the sinuses.
Okay.
And then I don't know, it was weird. Sometimes it would start there and then migrate into the back and rest here. Once the rain set in, it's weird. It's like, depending on where the headache was, I could tell you, like, okay, it's going to start raining, like,
Right.
probably about 30 minutes. Just depending on where it started and then where it was, and it still hadn't rained yet. So
Okay.
I was like a human barometer.
Huh. Well, I'm glad that your headaches are gone.
Yeah.
That's wonderful. So if any of you watching this ever need any help with your headaches, you're more than welcome to contact our office. If you're by us, we can help you. If you're somewhere else, I can find you someone who can help you where you live. So our phone number is 770-925-0088, or you can find us online at www.alignthespine.org. Hope this helps you. Goodbye.